Ever wondered how secure your cryptocurrency investments really are? In the ever-evolving world of digital assets, a moment's lapse in security can mean a lifetime of regret. Hello, I'm a cybersecurity expert with years of experience under my belt. My expertise lies in understanding the intricate world of crypto security and helping individuals like you navigate this complex landscape. I've spent countless hours delving into the world of blockchain, cryptography, and digital currencies to ensure your hard-earned investments remain secure. Today, we'll be exploring the ins and outs of cryptocurrency security, specifically through the lens of the National Institute of Standards and Technology, or NIST, framework. This framework is a gold standard in the industry, and it's about to become your new best friend in the realm of crypto security. First things first, risk assessment. This is the backbone of any robust security strategy. It's about understanding and identifying potential threats to your digital assets. It's not just about the big, scary hacks you hear about in the news. Sometimes it's the smaller, more insidious threats that can cause the most damage. Next, we move on to incident response. This is where the rubber meets the road. When a security breach happens, how do you respond? With the NIST framework, you'll be equipped with a step-by-step guide to tackle any incident head-on. But understanding these concepts can be overwhelming, especially when you're dealing with something as valuable as your cryptocurrency investments. That's why we've broken down these best practices into easy steps in our NIST framework eBook. This eBook is designed to empower you with the knowledge to fortify your digital assets in the face of any threat. Remember, knowledge is power. And in the world of cryptocurrency, this power can mean the difference between a secure investment and a devastating loss. So take the first step towards fortifying your digital assets today. Download our free ebook and arm yourself with the knowledge you need to protect your cryptocurrency investments. The world of crypto security doesn't have to be overwhelming. With the right tools and knowledge, you can navigate it with confidence. Start your journey towards robust crypto security today. Secure your future in the world of digital assets. Download our free NIST framework ebook now at preventcryptotheft.com.